Okay everyone, it's Toby here from Home Mechanic. Just thought I'd show you a genuine Bosch LSU 4.9 sensor. First of all, it comes in a Bosch box, which is fairly, you'd think it's fairly straightforward, but yeah, the Chinese models do not, for obvious reasons. Yeah, so Bosch stickers on it. You also get a Bosch security seal at the top. And it's basically an identification sticker. You can go on the website and check that it is a genuine piece. The connector itself has writing on the end. Another thing I've noticed is some of the genuine parts, they've got this little cable tie just around the end here. Okay, so on this one, I don't know if it's come from the factory, but it's got, I don't know if you can see that, but it's got anti-seize around the thread as well. I bought this from Both Racing, and they've actually, I don't know if this comes included, but it comes with the fitting kit. It comes with the instructions, cable ties and little plastic brackets and things to help you secure the sensor in place. And I've had some bad luck. I ended up spending, I think, £47 or so for a non-genuine model off eBay. It's actually really hard to get this sensor, I find, in the UK. And Both Racing had 5% off from the Black Friday, I think, so I just went for it. Returned the other one actually to eBay and looking to get a refund. Fingers crossed. Alright, thanks guys. Right guys, I know it's bloody dark in my garage, it's bloody cold as well. Just got the new sensor, I've plugged it in. Calibration, I more or less know this off by heart now. So first off, you turn the ignition on, give power to the controller, which I have sitting just here. You probably can't see anything. I've just got it set. Can you see? No. Set on the other side of the gear column. Sorry, gear tunnel rather. There we go. Yeah, I've just got it screwed in here on the inside. And put the ignition on, give power to it with the sensor disconnected. You just wait 30 seconds. The controller, LC2 controller, goes through flashing red every 2 seconds. This is error 2 code. Basically means the sensor's disconnected. You give it 30 seconds in that state, turn the ignition back off, hook up the sensor again whilst it's out the exhaust in free air. You turn the ignition back on, the controller lights up with a green light for a few seconds, and then flashes rapidly green for a few seconds further until it's a solid green. When it's solid green, you know it's calibrated, and turn the ignition back off. You can actually then disconnect the sensor whilst you connect it to the exhaust. Make sure the ignition at that point is not turned back on. Otherwise it will lose the calibration settings. So I'm going to do that now, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, that's the new O2 sensor fitted. It's a little cold start.